Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another book review. So this is Grimm's Fairy Tales. So this cover is awesome. I love this, and I might make this into a blue glue book cover. Blah, blah. So let's get a measurement. Almost 8.5 by 11. So it's like a sheet of paper size. So here is the spine, if you see it on the shelf, Grimm's Fairy Tales. Here is the back, printed in West Germany. So this is Wishing Wells Books. So this is a little list of the books or the stories that are inside. Okay, so let's take a look. I just love this picture here. Oh, look at that. The end papers are awesome. Beautiful. And they're your thick paper. Very thick paper, actually. Very thick textured paper. Almost like a handmade paper. It says published in the United States and Canada by Joshua Morris Publishing. Printed in West Germany. 1985. Okay, so look at that. Oh my goodness, the font is huge. So what is that? Almost whoops, I had the wrong, let me see. Yeah, so it's like 1/2 centimeter tall words, which are almost what are they? Is that an 1/8? I think an 1/8. Yeah, that it's huge lettering, and the pages are just so thick. I love this book and the image. Oh, and the paper is just so textured, almost like it's like I said, it's like a natural paper. Oh my goodness, this is just awesome. Look how huge the numbers are. Wow. This will be great. And this is in signatures, so it looks like, yes. So it looks like we can cut the strings and you'll be able to use the whole paper. But it's very heavy, very thick paper. So I'm trying to see here. Well, I don't know. These might be glued in signatures at the back or at the end. So you might have to cut this page, cut these pages. But nevertheless, oh, it's just gorgeous illustrations, and the stories I'm sure are wonderful. And as you can hear, as I'm turning these pages, they're thick. So I grabbed this book when I saw it. Again, this was at the thrift store that has $3 for a grocery sack, a paper grocery sack. So why not throw this in? Yeah. Just beautiful images. It's like a gypsy. Yeah. Isn't that a gorgeous book? Wonderful. Love it. So that's Grimm's Fairy Tales. And again, like I said, it is printed in West Germany. Copyright Swagger and Steinlen. 1985, Joshua Morris Publishing. All right, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. All right, bye.